Hey guys, Tim the Project Man out here working on the treehouse again. We've got the roof trusses up and we're ready to put some sheeting up there, the plywood up there. But I want to show you guys a little bit about how we did the roof trusses. We put nice little notches in them, so they're pretty much locked in there. They're 2x6s. Check out those little notches. That one there is probably not too good of a one. Show them this one here. Yeah, had to adjust that first one you seen there, but that added a lot of rigidity to the roof, and we are just out here getting it. Can't wait to get this thing finished, get the roof sheeting on, then we're going to do the plywood on the outside, get the windows in, the door in, and we're so excited.
Yeah, because they're all the same angles. It looks like it's probably going to be small enough. Hammer time. You have to chip that little corner off. You have to go in. It's going to. All right.
Alright guys, we got the sheeting up on the roof. Looks really good under here. We got a roof now. I'm gonna put some ice and snow on top. It's like tar paper, but a little bit stronger, and it's got kind of like a sandpaper texture on top of it, like a shingle almost. But it, you know, it comes in rolls just like tar paper would. So we notched out for the pine trees with the roof sheeting, and then the only other thing we're gonna do is I got these threaded rods. This is gonna be what holds us if we have a hurricane. See how I got two nuts up there? And I haven't attached it at the bottom. So that's gonna be screwed in at the bottom underneath. I'm gonna put another piece underneath there. So the whole thing is tied down to the platform, which is gonna make, you know, pretty much hurricane proof it, hopefully. And I guess we'll find out when we get the first hurricane what happens, but I think it'll stay together. So I'm super excited and can't wait to get the walls on, and we're coming along, man. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'll see you on the next one.